His name Dheeraj Chaudhary, age is 28 years, and today date is 16th of April 2026, and complain of high pitch voice even after puberty. I want speech sample before starting voice therapy. Why you came here?
Because my voice is very low and it demotivates. My confidence is very low, and I face problem while I am in a group discussion, and also while I am in the meeting, I am not being heard by people.
Post therapy video of Dheeraj, and today date is 23rd April 2026. Dheeraj, I want speech sample after the voice therapy. What was the problem, why you came, and how do you feel now?
My name is Dheeraj Chaudhary. I had a high pitch problem, and I came here to solve that problem. And
what was happening, especially when you were calling on the phone before treatment?
Before treatment, my voice was very low, and people used to think that it is a girlish voice, but now it has completely changed.
So what was the reaction when you spoke to your few of friends, and that was interesting?
To be very honest, they could not recognize, and even today I called one friend and he said, "Where is Dheeraj?" So I had to convince that I am only the same person.
Okay, and what is your profession?
I am a chartered accountant by profession.
So how this new voice is going to help in your chartered accountant profession?
Definitely it will help in client meeting, even group discussions. There plays a major role. And even in new opportunities like public speaking, then conference I can do, even social media I can explore.
Okay, and so how you came to know about our center, and who told you about us?
I came to know about by a referral, a fellow chartered accountant, and he gave a strong word of mouth to me, and that after then I did not think even a day, and next morning I just called and booked it.
Okay, so thank you so much for your faith on us, and even I want to tell your fellow chartered accountant, maybe he was my ex-patient, but I'm not able to recall who was that. Yes. And so thank you so much for coming from Mumbai, na?
Yes, Mumbai.
Coming from Mumbai and showing faith on us. So can we use a video for awareness purpose at our social media pages?
Yes, no issue.
And any message you want to give to the people having similar problem?
I would say one thing, that before I was thinking that my voice is naturally this same and it will never change, but I was wrong, and I didn't explore the solutions for that. So I would say you should explore the solution, and that you should definitely give a try once at least.
Okay, thank you so much for sharing your experiences. And those who are watching this video, if you are able to see any positive changes in his voice, like the video, share the video, so that people having similar problem can get hope, motivation, and they can reach to a right place. Thanks for watching.